Hello, this is HVH Designer CAD software, beta version. We're going to have another tutorial video. We will create a new part. On this section, create new, click part. We have to name our part first in order to save it and start sketching. HVH part 2. Save. Once you click on save, it will take you to CAD environment. Here's our CAD environment with our basic tools, our planes, views, basic features, sketch. First of all, I'm going to switch the unit to millimeter. By default, it is set to inch. Switch to millimeter. I'll choose front plane to start my sketch. I'm gonna make a simple rectangle, starting from 0 position. Choose a smart dimensioning. Put dimension, a small one, 40 by 20. I'm gonna make a line from the center of this rectangle. I'm gonna make it construction line. Click on it, you'll see here for construction. It's switched to construction line. I'm gonna make 2 lines perpendicular to this. Once it turns to purple, it means it is rectangular, perpendicular to this line. And I'm gonna trim the bottom section. I don't need those. The length of this line is should be 5 millimeter, and its distance from center 2.5 millimeter. This line should be also equal to this line. I'm not gonna put dimension on it. I'm gonna use relation to make these 2 lines equal, since I have dimension for this line set already. Click on it, press and hold Control key, choose this line, make them equal. Also, this line should be 2.5 from center of rectangular. And I don't need this section. I'm gonna trim it to open it. Okay. Now we have the opening here. I'm gonna choose again line and go make a line again here and go up from here. I'll put my dimensions, also 5 millimeter. Here also 5 millimeter. Another line here and here. These lines should be equal as well. Hold the Control key, choose this line, equal. Choose this line, press and hold Control, choose this line, equal. And connecting these 2 lines, here we are, our sketch is complete. We're gonna extrude this sketch to make a body. Exit sketch, extrude, choose the sketch, set our depth or length 40 millimeter. Okay, here we go. We have a simple part. I'm gonna add another feature on this surface. Choose the surface, sketch. We are in sketch environment. I'm gonna make a line here. Again, you see, it should turn perpendicular, showing that it's on 0 degree in respect to center position, 0 position. Give a dimension to it. Should be 40 here as well. I'm gonna switch it to construction line. Okay, I'm gonna make a circle here. Find the center right there. Draw a circle. 15 millimeter diameter. Oh, I lost the position. Sorry, I delete this. Delete. Simply you press delete on your keyboard and you can delete anything you have made or sketched. 15 millimeter. And I'm gonna trim this bottom section. Trim. Make a line here to make a close contour so we can do a cut. Here we go, I'm done with this. I'm gonna exit the sketch by pressing the sketch. Here I have my extrude cut tool. Choose what I want. Reverse it so it cuts inside. OK, press check, and here we are, a simple part using our simple features. Here it is saved actually, since it is a cloud base. You don't need to press any or look for any save button. It is saved already. By clicking on HVH, we can go back to our main page here to bring back that part that we just created. Here we have the part name, HVH part 2. Double click on it. Here is our part that we just created. Again, going back to HVH. In case you want to delete your part, these 3 dots here, you can download it, rename it, or delete it. This is for this video. We will be back with another video to create another part.